So stay tuned, we're gonna dive right in. It is time to finish this project once and for all. Let's do it. Progress is going down. So this is where I'm at so far. I have the roof cut, tabs are welded. Check these bad boys out. So I think for what these are, they came out looking pretty sweet. Definitely pumped on how those came out. I think practice is definitely paying off with the TIG, which is awesome. So I'm gonna hold up the camera really high for this next clip because, ladies and gentlemen, aluminum roof is on. All right, so the YJ Buggy is done, the roof is in, and I have the family in with me, and what a better way to celebrate than to go for a quick ride around the property. I got my wife, Nicole, my son, James, my daughter, Eleni. Say hi, guys. And we're gonna go for a quick ride, right? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Well, folks, that is a wrap for this project. I got my family out for a spin this evening. My kids had a blast. We got to do some laps around the yard, got to drive it. It's beautiful. It's like 85 degrees out today. I'm actually in shorts, which is very rare for April, so I am really, really stoked. But this thing is done. It is ready for the trails. There is no more work other than packing everything into it, tuning the air shocks and throwing some fresh nitrogen in them, and we are ready to go. I'm gonna be hitting up AOAA at the very end of the month, last Saturday. I'm gonna be taking this thing out. Family's coming with me. We're gonna be just running some nice mild trails, nothing crazy. I don't wanna scare my daughter first time out. I just want her to experience it for the first time, be out in the woods, bounce around a little bit, see some rocks, run some mild trails and things like that, and just have a fun day. And then as she kind of gets comfortable, then we'll ease her into a little bit more and more. But anyway, I'm pumped. So yeah, she is done, all good to go. Aluminum roof is super nice and clean. I'm really happy with the aluminum section in the back, how it came out. Everything's nice and tight, no rattling. And yeah, it came out really, really cool. Got the kids in here, did a little riding around the block. They had a good old time, but yeah, everything is in, good to go. Obviously my tool bag is not strapped down, but that will be with a cooler and a power tank. So so yeah, and of course had to be slightly a bit of a poser. That's why I decided to back it up on the tree. My wife has not seen this yet, nor will she until I post this video. So I love you, hon. Sorry, tree's fine. But anyway, I wanted to do something kind of cool, get it out for the first time. And yeah, this tree looked mega inviting. So anyway, guys, that is a wrap, and this project is done. And what better way for me to end it than my big bum sitting right here in the back in my kid's seat, right in the back of the buggy. I figured since I built this thing, I may as well sit in it and enjoy it. Although I will say it suits them a lot better than it does me, but I sort of fit back here. But anyway, guys, the next time you see this YJ is going to be in some wheeling content. Anyway, just wanted to say thanks to you guys. You guys have been giving me just a lot of motivation from some of the messages and just things that you guys have been sharing and feedback, so I genuinely much appreciate it. And yeah, I got some more projects up the sleeve, so I am not done with this thing, but the projects that I have are gonna be small ones that I can kind of tackle while I am wheeling this, because I don't want this thing out of commission. I want to enjoy the full wheeling season, because that's what it is now. It is wheeling season, so that means big projects are done. Time to get behind the wheel, get some seat time, have some fun with the family, have some fun with friends, make some good memories, and enjoy. But anyway, guys, look, thanks for stopping by. God bless, and I'll catch you guys later.